Birla Global University offers courses in management, commerce, laws, social science and journalism. At this point of time, we have both master degree and bachelor degree program under each school. We have 5 schools at this point of time. School of Management, which is known as Birla School of Management, Birla School of Laws, Birla School of Commerce, Birla School of Social Science and Humanities, and Birla School of Journalism and Mass Communication. Each one of these courses, as I said, has both master degree and bachelor degree program. However, under School of Management, we also offer PhD programs in management, and under School of Economics, that is, which comes under Birla School of Social Science and Humanities, also offers PhD programs. Birla Global University always appreciates students who are academically very strong, and we accept students who are meritorious and wants to pursue their courses and wants to have a good career over a period of time. We follow the guidelines being laid down by UGC as far as the minimum eligibility criteria. Students who are aspiring to take admission at Birla Global University, either in the undergraduate program or the postgraduate program, has to go to or has to visit to the website, which is www.bgu.ac.in. Once you land on the web page of Birla Global University, there is a link which is known as Apply Online. Once you click on the link, you will be directly going to the registration form, and there is a simple registration you need to complete. Once you complete the simple registration, you will be redirected to the form page, and once you complete these informations, then you will have to pay a simple application fee. Once you complete the form and application fee being paid, you will be submitting the form. Once you submit the forms, the admission department will be in touch with you. We are not entertaining anybody physical presence. However, if you are interested to take admission at Birla Global University, everything would be online. From filling up the forms to your admission, everything will be done online. Either you will get a call for counseling, or you will be getting a video call from our admission office for clarifying all your doubts related to admission. We are taking utmost good care about the COVID situation, and we are not inviting any parents or students to the Birla Global University, because we are going with the norms being given by the Government of India and Government of Orissa.